Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have been on a spontaneous Varanasi trip. We had seen a reel on Jangamwadi Mart, so we decided to check that place for day one. It's a really clean space and also they provide food and dinner at an affordable price. On our day one, it was all pretty simple. I decided to wear this sari and since I wanted some cute shots for the gram, but later after going I realized it was too far from where we stayed. Talking about stays, always remember to stay near Kashi Vishwanath temple and also visit Kal Bhairav temple first and then other temples. There are lots of things, but I just forgot to record it in YouTube format. So I'll be uploading shorts so that we don't miss anything. That's me and Bharat doing fit check for the day. Our today's itinerary was pretty simple as we reached late. We had a look on the mud and by the way the food tastes amazing. We are from coastal Karnataka and tasting North Indian food was a new experience but very comforting. We tried few street food which I forgot to record but I will share the list in the comments for you all. By the way, Kularcha and Malayo was my favorite. We went for ghat hopping. I guess this boat was about for 100 each. So they will demand like 500, 200, and they will argue no matter how many people you are, just give 100. Don't give even a single rupees more. They showed us around 60 guards. I don't remember the names, but there are a few of them which are very popular on Instagram. And also, they all the guards have their own story. My favorite personally has to be Manikarnika guard because the energy you feel there is very different when compared to the whole trip you take in the other guards. So, what you're seeing here is a clip from the Shwamedha Ghat. So basically, we went here to watch Gangarati. The one which is very popular on Instagram right now is from the Shishwamedha Ghat and Asi Ghat. So we couldn't see Asi Ghat Aarti as we didn't have a lot of time. But the Shishwamedha Ghat, we could see it properly as we went at 2 p.m. in the afternoon for an event which takes place at 6 p.m. in the evening, but we somehow managed to get the right spot and we will be posting the reel. This is just for YouTube purpose, but the really good video is in the reels, which if you follow me on Instagram you can see it. By the way, the experience was very much spiritual, and if you're someone who always dreamt of it, trust me, you will cry. And it's not just me, I've seen people around me also crying. So once the arati is done, we I noticed few of them lighting diyas and then praying to God and keeping it flow in the Ganga water. So I too tried it. Maybe my dreams will come true very soon. Be careful while shooting agoris, take permission. And also, the last place we visited was Kal Bhairav temple. We forgot to take our phones, so I have not recorded. We ended our day having tandai. If you know, you know what is it. But then it was like maza nahi aaya. Honestly, I don't know if there were some other spots which had better ones, but we didn't go to do this the second time. As you know, I forgot to shoot the rest of the content in YouTube format. So I'll be uploading shorts and also reels on Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel to get the shorts notifications. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.